By mir bist du schön, now won't you please let me explain? By mir bist du schön means that you're greatest in the land. By mir bist du schön, you can ask me again, I'll explain. It means I am begging for your hand. I could say Bella, Bella, even say wunderbar. It's language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I try to explain. By mir bist du schön, so kiss me and say you'll understand. So kiss me and say you'll understand. So kiss me and say you'll understand.